so good. Today we're making tempeh bacon without measuring any ingredients. To start, you'll need a 9x13 cutting board, knife, some tempeh, and then for my marinade, I like to use tamari, balsamic vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of liquid smoke, and some maple syrup. Let's get started. This is the easiest way to get tempeh out of this really complicated package. So what you do is you just slice it down the middle, bend it in half, and then push the tempeh out. It's taken me a long time to figure this out. And then we'll just cut it into 1/2-inch slices. All right, we'll set that aside and then make our marinade. Again, no measuring utensils needed. So I'm gonna start with the tamari, and we're just gonna coat the pan. Then we'll add the balsamic, about equal parts. We'll add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, about 2 tablespoons. A few dashes of liquid smoke, because a little goes a long way. And then a little drizzle of maple syrup. We'll give it a nice little whisk, and then add the tempeh. And then I just give it a nice little swirl to sort of coat the tempeh as best as I can. And now I'm gonna flip all the tempeh over. That way it's nice and evenly coated. And then I won't have to touch it again. The liquid goes about 1/4 of the way up the tempeh. Now I'm gonna cover it with foil. And we'll bake it at 350 for 15 minutes to start, and then we'll take the foil off and bake it for a little bit longer. So the one great thing about baking the tempeh with the foil on is it retains a lot of the flavor. Baby. Just gonna give it a little stir. You can see there's still a lot of liquid in here. So now I'm gonna bake it uncovered, and during this time a lot of the liquid will evaporate. Baking the tempeh uncovered caramelizes the tempeh. Most of the liquid evaporated, and so we've got these beautiful pieces of tempeh. If you want them crispier, you can bake them a little bit longer. Give it a try. Oh yeah. So that's one thing I love about baking it covered first, is the tempeh really absorbs a lot of the liquid and the flavor, and so it's flavorful all the way through. Yep. This is gonna go perfectly with pancakes. So I made these lemon pancakes for breakfast, and the tempeh bacon is gonna pair perfectly with these.